Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got 4 Fusion Strike packs. Dropped it. They're all the 4 kind of different kind of Gengar. That one, a Mew, and that one. So we're gonna open all 4, see what we can get. We're gonna start off with the Gengar pack. See what we can pull here. Eight gold card. So nothing in that one maybe. 4 in the front. We got a steel type. That one. 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 And okay. Starting off with this guy next. Okay, next pack we got a black code card. So there's the black code card. Okay, we got that one, water type. Jeez. That one right there. That one right there. That one right there. 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 And right there. And a Chandelier V. Nice card. Second time pulling the Chandelier V. That's a nice one. Okay, next one we got the Mew pack. Another black code card over here. Another black code card. We're at 2 out of the 3 packs. Here's a poison type. That one. 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 And nice card, Landoros. That one right there. And a nice card. And in the last pack that we got for today's video, and on the black code card. Nope, it has to be a white code card. There's a white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fire type. That one. 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 That's all, and that one. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe for more and like the video and help me move my channel up. I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a nice day. See you later.